Okay, this activity is 8-6, sharing the public folder. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click the Start button, Control Panel. We're going to go to Network and Internet, and then we're going to click on Network Sharing Center. We're going to change Advanced Sharing Center, which is right here. Now when we click on that, we're going to want to open up one of these. We'll go to Home and Work. And it says to scroll down to password protected sharing, which is right here. We're going to turn off the password and protected sharing. We're going to scroll up to public folder sharing, and we're going to turn on sharing with anybody, public folder sharing. Turn on sharing so anyone in the network can read or write. We're going to click Save Changes, and then we're going to click the Start button. We're going to go to Computer, and then from the Start menu to open a window, Explorer window. On the left hand side, select Network. Find the computer icon with your computer name on the right hand side pane and double click on it. This opens a window that displays the shares on your computer. So double click on that. You have Share, Class, and Users. Now double click Users to display the next folder level, and then double click the public folder. So we're going to click Users, public folder, and you can see that all the subfolders, which are right here, are available. The folders in the public or in the file inside them are available to all users in the network, regardless of whether they have a valid user account on your computer. Double click Public Documents, which is right here, and then we're going to point an empty area, which it's not an empty area completely. We're going to right click in an empty area, which is right here. We're going to point to New, and then you notice everything opens up. We're going to click on Text Document, which is right here, and then we're going to type Network Doc. Text, and then we're going to open this up, and now we're just going to type some stuff in here. It's really just gibberish because we're just for practices of this purpose of showing how to use it. We're going to click the File menu, and then we're going to click Save, and then we're going to close the notepad. Now we want to test the public folder for another computer, so we want to click the Start button. You know, this is optional. I have no other computers basically tied into it, so it's not going to do me any good. But we'll read it anyway so you know what to do. You test the public folder for another computer. You click the Start button and click Network. Double click your partner's computer. Double click User, then Public, and double click your public documents. Right click in the empty area, point to New, click Text Document and Remote Doc, and press Enter. Double click the Remote Doc text and type in some text. Click the File menu, click Save, and click Notepad. Now close the window. So basically everything we've typed in here, anybody can go in and look at it. So we're going to close the window and we're done.